Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome to Glowing with Didi. My name is Dimiwe, and today we're gonna be doing a DIY where we turn some denim jeans into a denim skirt. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and share the video with your friends. Let's get into the Alright, let's get started. Here we have the jeans that we're gonna turn into a denim skirt. So first of all, I really like these jeans because they have that faded color. So right about now, I'm just gonna be taking my chalk and marking the length I want to cut my jeans at. Right now, I'm just going to be cutting my jeans at the part that I marked them at. I'm going to be leaving a little space at the bottom in order for them to fray. After cutting my jeans, I'm just gonna take my seam ripper and rip the jean from the front seam all the way to the back seam. You can use a scissors if you don't have a seam ripper, or you can cut through. Just make sure you're careful when you're cutting your denim. Now that I have opened up my denim from the front to the back, I'm just going to go on the seams of the legs and just cut through as well so that I can completely open up my jeans. And here we can see that the skirt is starting to take form. Now I'm just going to take my measuring tape as a guide and draw two straight lines across my jean, just to make sure that I follow these lines as guides when I'm sewing. Now it's time for us to take our jeans to the sewing machine. Just a little reminder, when you're sewing denim and using a sewing machine, make sure that you're going at a slow speed if you know your denim is not soft material, because you do not want your needle to break. As I always say, you can still use your hands to sew. You don't have to have a sewing machine. You can use your hands to sew. Just make sure that you are accurate with your sewing so that when you're done, your skirt has perfect stitches. way, we're just gonna cut off the excess fabric of our skirt and we're done. You have your perfect denim skirt ready for you to wear and style. So after we are done with everything, just put your skirt in the wash. It is going to fray and have a distressed look, and the chalk drawings on them are going to come out. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends.